Okay guys, so this is the new HP Victus 24 which I recently bought from moon.com, and I'll be unboxing this for you guys. So let us begin. Bismillah. We're using the standard known packing. Yeah. And behind this we have this HP box. It's kind of weird, like here they have written Indian inside. Okay. Now let's see specification. AMD, you can see right here, AMD Ryzen 5 8645HS, RAM 32GB Ddr5 1TB SSD, GeForce RTX 4056GB, Windows 11, silver color, 15.6 inches Full HD, 144Hz. Great. Alright, so gonna see first thing which we get is the manual, setup instructions, and the thank you card. There is soap one. Okay, just the laptop. And apart from the laptop, we do this for the charger here. This is the pin. So let us see that. Nice color, that's a silver color, no? Yeah. In that pot. Okay. Here's how the condition is. Here we can see AMD and GeForce RTX.